Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? Fine, very good. Okay, again I am here to teaching you maths. Okay, with subject math. Okay, now what we have done yesterday in our last topic, we have done the topic greater than, less than and equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to. Okay, so today we will continue the same topic, and there is one exercise given on page number 24 in your book. Okay, so we will solve today that exercise. Okay, so you have to write along with me. I am writing and you also write with me. Okay, I will explain you also, and you have to write with me. Okay, I am writing, you also start writing. All of you have your notebook, you have your pencil, eraser, you have. If you don't have, bring it fast. Open your notebook, open your books also. Open page number 24 in your book. Which page you have to open in your book? You have to open page number, which page number? 24. And on that page number 24, one exercise is given. Okay, so many questions are given. So today we are going to write these questions in notebook. Okay, so I am writing on the board and you just copy with me. Okay, you have to copy with me. I will explain you also. I will explain and write both. So what is your work? Your work is to write and listen. Listen carefully what we are writing and how we are solving. Okay, so I hope now all of you have your notebook. You open your book, you open your notebook. Okay, from new page. Okay, always new thing, new day, new thing is started from a new page. Okay, so take out your new page and start writing with me. First write the question. What is the question? Question is, what is the question? W-H-A-T. What? D-O-do. What do? T-H-E-S-E. These. What do these numbers? N-U-M-B-E-R-S. This question is given in your book also. See this? Okay, so this is the question that I am writing on the board. Okay, if you want to write, you copy from the book also. Okay, this question is given here. What do these numbers and A and D and symbols S-Y-M-B-O-L-S symbols means? Symbols mean. So what is the question? Question is, what do these numbers? Some numbers are given and symbols. Which symbols are given? The symbol of greater than, less than or equal to. Okay, mean. So you have to write what is the meaning of the number and the symbol that is given in the question. Okay, so first write A. First is 3, then symbol, then 1. Okay, 3, then symbol, then 1. Then one line is written here. What is that line? 3 is greater than 1. Okay, so how do you read this as? We read it as 3 is greater than 1. What is this sign? This sign is the sign of greater. Okay, so 3 is greater than 1. Okay, now see B. This is already done for you. Now the second one that you have to do. How do you read it as? 2 is less than 5. 2 And what is this symbol? Is the mouth of crocodile open here or closed? It is closed. So 2 is less than 5. Okay. So 2 is already written here. Is already written here. What you have to write? You have to write less than 5. Okay. You have to identify that whether the number given is less than, greater than or equal. Okay. Now see 9, then symbol, then 8. So 9 and 8. 9 is greater. So what is this? This is a sign of greater than. Okay. This is the sign of greater than. So what is written here? 9 is. Now what will come here in the blank? In the blank, 9 is greater than 8. Okay. Are you able to understood or not? Yes or no? Yes. Now see next, D. 7 equal 7. So both, with what sign is this? This is sign of equal. So what you will write here? 7 is equal to 7 because both the side the number are same. That means 7 is equal to 7. Now next, E. 6. What sign is this? This is sign of greater. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. Okay. So what is written here? 6 is, what will come in the blank? Greater than. Greater. Greater than. What is the other number? 3. 6 is greater than 3. Now last. 8 equal to 8. Both the sides number are same. Both the sides number are same. That means what is this sign? This is a sign of equal to. This is a sign of equal to. So what will come in the blank? 8 is equal to again 8. 8 is equal to 8. Okay. Write this first question. Write this first question. Okay, again I am explaining. What do these numbers and symbols means? What is the question? What does these numbers and symbols mean? Okay, so first, 3 is greater than 1. How do we read it as? We read it as 3 is greater than 1. What is this symbol? This is a symbol of greater than. So 3 is greater than 1. So the way we are reading, in the same way we have to write in the spelling form. Okay. 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. Now see B. How do we read it as? 2. What is the symbol? This is symbol of less than. So 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So 2 is, then blank is given. So in place of this blank, what you have to write? You have to write symbol's name. So what is this symbols? This symbol stands for less than. So 2 is less than, then this 5 will be as it is, FIVE 5. Okay. Now see next 9. What is this symbol? This is symbol of greater than. 9 is greater than, what is this number? 8. Okay. So 9, that means here 9 is written, is, what is the symbol? Greater than. So in place of blank, what we have to write? We have to write greater than. So 9 is greater than, what is this number? This number is 8. So write the spelling of 8. Now next, 7 is equal to 7. Both the sides number are equal, same. So what sign will come here? Equal. So write this in statement form. 7 is equal to 7. Okay. 7 is equals to 7. You should know how to read the numeric form of question also. Okay. You should know how to read it. Okay. So this question is based on the same thing, that how you read the numeric form of a question. Okay. For example, this is given. How do you read it as? 7 is equals to 7. 3 is greater than 1. 2 is less than 5. 9 is greater than 8. 7 is equals to 7. Now see next question. E. Which number is this? 6. And what is the symbol is? This is symbol of greater than. 6 is greater than 3. Okay. So 6 is, it is already written. What you have to write? You have to write the name of a symbol. So which symbol is this? This is a symbol of greater than. So you have to write here greater than, and number 3 is already written. Now the last, 8 is equals to 8. Okay. So 8 is equal to 8. Here we finished our first question. Okay. The first question you give it as question number 1. Right here 1. Because 3 questions are given on that page. So write this as question number 1. Question number 1. Students, those who are writing slowly, you do one thing. You first write these answers in your book first. Okay. The same question is given in your book also. So you write these answers. Okay. The answers that I have underlined, the blank that is given in your book. So you fill that blank with the answer. Okay. And you write this question afterwards in your notebook. Okay. Those students who are writing slowly, I request parents to write only the answers that I have written on the board. You copy these answers in the book. Okay. Page number already I have mentioned that these questions are given on page number 24, and it is the first question. Okay. First question. So blank is given. So only we have to fill in the blanks with less than, greater than, or equals to. Okay. So you first fill in the blank. Those who are writing slowly, slow writer students, first you write all the answers in your book. Okay. Then afterwards you note it down in your notebook. Okay, in these questions, in this first question, what we have given? We have given a question in the form of numbers and symbol. Okay, numbers and symbol, and we convert this into statement form. Okay, these numerals and symbols, these are known as numerals or numbers, and this is known as symbols. So these numerals and numbers we have converted into a form of statements. That means how we read it as, in the same way we write it in a form of sentence. Okay, so in the next question, question number 2, in question number 2 what is given? The question is given in the form of statement. Okay, the question is given in the form of statement, and you have to convert it in the form of numeral and symbols. Okay, just opposite of this first question. What is the second question? The second question is opposite to the first question. In that question is given in the form of statement, and you have to convert the statement in numbers and symbols. Okay, now I hope all of you have written this. Now we do the next question, question number 2. Okay, the next question. The question is given in the book. If you want to copy from the book, you copy the question from the book also. See the second question. Okay, the same thing I am writing on the board. Change these statements. Write question 2. Change CHANGE. Change these THESE. Change these statements STATEMENTS. Statements. Leave one finger distance between the words. Okay, write words after leaving one finger distance. Okay, change these statements into numerals. What is the meaning of numerals? Numerals means numbers. Meaning of numerals is numbers. Okay, so change these statements into numerals and symbols. And what are the symbols here? Here symbols, 3 symbols are there: greater than, less than and equal to. Okay, now see what is the first statement written here. What is the first statement? You know how to read now. What is this? EIGHT. What is this EIGHT? EIGHT is 8. 8 is, what is this? GREATER. What is this? GREATER. This is greater. THAN. Then what is this? SIX. SIX is 6. Okay. So how do we read this statement as? 8 is greater than 6. So what we are reading, in the same way we have to write. Okay. What we have read first? 8. So write here 8. Then is greater than. That means you have to make the sign of greater than. What is the sign of greater than? Like this. So 8 is greater than. By which number 8 is greater? 6. So you have to write here 6. Okay. Understood? Now B. 4 is less than 7. 4 is less than 7. Okay. 4. So write here 4. Now next is less than. So what is the symbol of less than? The symbol of less than is like this. 4 is less than, that means what number is written first? 4. So you have to write here first 4 is less than, that means you have to write a symbol less than. So what is the symbol less than? The symbol of less than is like this. So 4 is less than what is the next number? 7. What is this spelling of SEVEN? Means 7. So you have to write here 7. Okay. Now see. 5 is equal to 5. FIV is 5 is equal to 5. Okay. So which number is written here? FIVE 5. So you have to write here 5 is equal. That means you have to mark which sign? Equal. You have to write here the sign of equal. 5 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to which number? 5 itself. Okay. D. I am writing that side. D. 9 is NINE is 9 is less than 9 is less than TEN 10. TEN 10. 9. So you have to write here 9. Now which symbol you have to make here? A symbol of less than. Which symbol you have to make here? Symbol of less than. Symbol of less than is like this. Next is 10. Next is 10. So you have to write here which number? 10. Now understood how we are converting statement into numerals and symbols? Yes. Now E. 3 is THREE. 3 is less than 4. 4. Okay. 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. So what is the number here? THREE 3. That means you have to write here 3. Now which symbol is come here? Less than. And what is the sign of symbol less than? Like this. Then 4. FOUR 4. That means 3 is less than. Which number will come here? 4. 3 is less than 4. Now last F. ZERO. What is this written? ZERO means 0. ZERO, 0. Okay. I have explained you before the concept of 0. Okay. What is 0? A big circle is known as 0, or 0 is having no value. It is 0. 0 is less than 1. 0 is less than 1. 0 is less than every number, not only 1. Okay. 0 is less than 2 also. 0 is less than 3 also. Okay. So 0 is less than 1. How do you write 0? Then which sign? A sign of less than. This is a sign of less than. 0 is less than by which number? 1. Okay. Copy it. I hope all of you are writing along with me. Okay. साथ साथ लिख रहे हैं ना मेरे? Yes. And again I request to the parents, those students who are writing slowly are not able to write along with me. So what they will do? First they will write only the given answers in your book. You write the answers in a book, and afterwards you make sure that your child will write these questions in the notebook. Okay. Now one more question is there, the last question, that also we do just now. The question is, you have to identify whether the statement is true or false. What you have to identify? True or false. You know what is the meaning of true and what is the meaning of false? True means correct statement. You have to identify whether the statement that is written, okay, that statement is correct or not. If that statement is correct, sahi hai agar, so what you have to write? We have to write true. Okay. If the statement is wrong, then we write false. Okay. All of you have written? Okay. Now let's do the last question. Third question. That is given on the same page. Okay. The question is written on the book. If you want to copy the question, you copy the question from the book also. Okay. The third question. The question is question 3. Are these true or false? You have to find that the statement that are written here are true or false. Are these THESE, these true, 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 or false, 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 false. Now see, first, the statement form is given. Okay, the question is given in the form of statement. Okay, so first we convert this statement in number and symbol form, and then we write whether the statement is true or false. So what is the first? 8 is less than 7. 8 is less than 7. Okay, that means how do we write this statement in the form of number and symbol? 8 is, so first write 8. Okay, 8 is less, that means what sign we have to make? We have to make the sign of less than. 8 is less than 7. Okay, so is this true or false? This is true or false? This is true. This is true. Okay, so write here true. TRUE, true. That means the statement that is given is correct. Okay. Now the second, B. 4 is equal to 3. 4 is equal to 3. Okay, so first we convert it into numeric form and symbol form. 4, what is the number written here? FOUR, 4. So write here 4. Then which symbol will come here? Equal to. Equal to. And which number is written here? THREE, 3. So this statement is true or false? 4 is equal to 3. 4 and 3 both are equal. You say yes or no? No, it is false. So write here false. This statement is false. Okay. Now C. 9 is less than 10. Okay. So first we convert it into numbers and symbol. What number will come here? 9. Then which sign? A sign of less than, and then 10. Is this correct? 9 is less than 10? Yes, it is correct. So true. TRUE, true. Now D. 4 is greater than 5. 4 is greater than 5. So that means 4 and the sign of greater than and 5. 4 is greater than 5. So is this correct? 4 is greater than 5. 4 बड़ा होता है 5 से? Yes or no? No, 4 is less than 5. That means the statement that is given here is false. So write here false. Okay. Now the last E. 1 is less than 6. 1 is less than 6. So first convert it into numeric form and symbol form. 1 is less than 6. Okay. So 1 is less than 6. 1 6 से छोटा होता है? Yes or no? Yes. That means the statement given here is true. So write here true. Okay. I hope all of you are writing with me. Okay. So the exercise that is given on page number 24, the 3 questions. Today we have solved these questions. Okay. So all of you have to write these questions in your notebook. Those who have written just now is okay. And the students, those who have not written, those who written the questions, written the answers in the book, write these questions in your notebook. Okay. Write all the 3 questions in your notebook. I hope all of you have written this also. Write this fast, those who are writing, or write the answers first in your book and then afterwards you write in your notebook. Okay, so today no homework of maths, only what you have to complete your this page number 24 questions 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.